and how you are maintaining the database for YouTube content.
Okay, YouTube content database. Very good question. How to maintain, how to uh, a productivity hack to create content faster. How to maintain the YouTube database, YouTube content ideas. I use a tool called Apple Notes. Earlier, I was using Google Keep. Okay, but I feel in Apple Notes there's a feature where you can tick mark. You can tick mark if the content you have created. Okay. Now, what I do when I scroll social media. First of all, I follow people who create good content, who create content based on make money, who create content based on finance, who create content based on money mindset, right? When I listen to those people, right? When I, today's content, which I uploaded on YouTube, use phone addiction to grow your business.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, देखा
From where
मैंने.
did I get this unique title? I got
Yes,
this from
yes.
Andrew Tate. He was talking about something else. But I got the term phone addiction, use phone addiction to and I related it to my own business. Getting my point? So whenever I scroll social media, I scroll with an objective that I want 10 ideas. Okay, I want 10
Okay.
ideas, and whatever idea I get, I immediately note it down. If I show you, okay, if I show you my content database, I have ready-made content database for the next 150 days. More than that.
150 days.
Right? This is the fresh database which I have created recently. And this is
Yeah.
network marketing industry database which I have created. So in this way, you can create content because this will save a lot of your time. This will save a lot of your time because while creating content, the most of our energy goes on what video should I make today, on what title should I make the content today. So when I'm free, when I'm scrolling social media, or when I sit, sometimes I sit for 1 hour just to think of content ideas. That time I do not do anything else. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes I just sit to write down content ideas. So when we are
Yeah.
focused on just content titles, finding out content titles through Google, through other people's YouTube channel, right? You know how to find out YouTube content titles. I'll give it to 3 ways. Okay. If you just go to YouTube, okay, let me share the screen for you. Just give me one second. If you go to just YouTube, you can find content ideas from other people's channel also. Okay. Let's say you went on first the search option. How to use the search option? Just type network marketing. Okay, just type network marketing. Now these are the content ideas which people these are the titles, these are the search keywords which people are searching for, right? So you can write, you can create content on this. Let's say network marketing business. We added one more keyword. These are the content titles which can be the content title for your future videos. People are searching for it. If you create videos on these titles, this will help. Let's say network marketing and industry. Okay, because our potential prospects are those prospects who are willing to join network marketing in future, who are looking forward to join network marketing, who are partially educated, right? If we go means at the starting point of this search bar and we just type underscore, just see, okay, you'll find again some content ideas. Let's say your company specific. Let's say let me search Amway. Okay, if I search Amway, these are the titles which people are searching for. Amway business. These are the titles which people are searching for. In this way, you can just type in the keyword and from the YouTube search option, you can check. Okay. The second type of content ideas which you can search is just type the name of your company. Let's say Forever Living Products. Okay. Let's say. And I went to Forever Living Products India page or someone's channel. Let's say I went to Shubham Rohilla's channel. Okay. I went to the videos part and I sorted it. I sorted it through popular option. Okay, I hit the popular sorting option. Now whichever videos was performing good on his channel, if you create videos using those titles, those will perform good on your channel too. So in this way you can do channel audits. Okay, let's go to Tarun Agarwal. Okay, let's go to his channel, let's go to videos and let's click on the popular option. That means this was the most viewed content on his channel. So we can take 10-15 content ideas from here also. This was the second way of getting content titles. The third way could be you can go to the chat option of these videos, where what people are searching for, what are they asking questions. From there you will get content ideas. One more idea after that, let's say you went to a platform called answerthepublic.com. Here you can do one search per day. Okay, answerthepublic.com. You search for network marketing, one or two keywords, network marketing, okay, India, English, search. It will give you a complete database what people are searching for using this keyword. Just see the examples. Okay, these are all content titles, right? So you can create it, just copy and paste on your database. These are the keywords which people are searching for. Getting my point? So if you create videos in these areas with these content titles, the videos will perform better.
So same, I can search here company specific, right?
Yes, absolutely. On the free version, it limits to one search per day. Okay. So in this way, in
one search, so many things I can get, so many ideas.
Clear?
Okay.
I hope you liked the video. If you're interested to learn the right system, how to build a network marketing business 100% online without convincing anyone, go to the link and go to the description and click on the link where you can connect with me directly on WhatsApp and I help you build the system. The second thing is, if you want to personally work with me in my team, then you can refer the link in description. You can apply to work with me and build 5 mini income stream by just working 30 minutes per day along with your current profession without disturbing your current profession. Then you can apply, we can work together. Thank you so much.